Back on the bike at last! Yay! I'm so excited!
We just took 2 full days off. One day where we went and explored Alishan Forest from here in Chiayi, and yesterday was just a work day. If you haven't watched our previous vlog, I definitely recommend going and checking it out because... Anywho, 2 full days off and we are about to jump back on the bikes. I feel kind of nervous, to be honest. I don't know why, but I feel like it's going to be really hard or something. We've just been packing up our room. Somehow in 2 days, when all you have is your 2 panniers, your stuff just, it goes everywhere. 70 kilometers today to our next city. We're heading straight to another city, which is going to be Tainan. It is the oldest city here in Taiwan, so I'm very excited to go there. I think there's going to be some cool stuff to do and probably some yummy food to eat. But first we have to cycle there, 70 kilometers. Let's get going.
Hello, bikes.
I don't know if we've praised enough how good those bikes are, by the way. They have been amazing.
Here we go. Packing time. Back on the bike! I love it! Gosh, I missed it!
So we're immediately riding through a market this morning and it's so funny because it's just like scooters and us and then a bunch of locals doing their shopping. And the fruits and vegetables at this market look incredible. They look so yum. Look at this. I don't know how long this bikeway is gonna last, but I am loving it. It's so quiet, peaceful, no traffic, and shaded. Absolutely glorious. So this bikeway that we're riding along now is actually old train tracks that they've transformed into this, I guess, walkway. And every now and then you'll ride past someone and they say what I believe means like go, or like some sort of encouraging word like let's go, good job, or something like that, and they'll like yell it out to you. And it's really nice to see that the locals are encouraging you to cycle around their country. It's cool. This is the perfect way to start the day. Dang it. We've hit a roadblock. That's where we're supposed to be going.
No permanent?
Well, it was nice while it lasted. Wow, I fully expected today to be riding on busy roads because we're going from Chiayi City to Tainan City. So just expecting it to be like main highway, going from kind of town to town. But it has been so nice. Also, the weather is glorious today. Couldn't ask for anything better. Time for a little break, 1 hour in.
21.1 kilometer in 1 hour of motion.
你好，黑咖啡？
黑的，
黑 no
用牛奶的。
啊，拿铁咖啡？
OK，那黑咖啡，热的还是冰的？
Oh, okay, I got it wrong.
Small.
Small.
Say boy.
Yeah. 对。
谢谢。
This is good. Hot, yes. 对，谢谢。
热的。
I was so amped I was gonna order in Chinese for the first time. Dang it, I fully thought I had learned how to order coffee in Chinese, but I definitely didn't. She had so many extra questions that I couldn't answer, but she 100% understood because she said no, but she made me the right thing, so I don't know. every time we're struggling, there's always someone who has enough English to help us, and they always do help us. It's so nice.
Wow. Big one is okay. Big
Two.
two, okay.
Taiwan language. 拔了
Bale. Guava. Bale. Bale.
拔了
Bale.
มาเลยแค่แชร์
Not the top. The top. Not the top.
Not at all.
不客气，不客气，
Sugar
刚好是你看。
Wow. That was a very nice lady. Just popped by and gave us a little guava.
Alright, so it is, I mean, it's only 10:30. It's not too late, but we've only locked in 20 kilometers. So we need to lock in some more. That means that it's time to listen to some music. Vamos, let's do.
Hello. Looks like Google.
Remember that time we were cycling in France and we had to carry our bikes?
We're gonna risk it.
A few moments later.
Jesus, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but that is like a steep slope.
1, 2.
Max wants to do a repeat of that, you guys. This is where Max wants us to go. This is definitely not the way. I'm currently eating the sweetest, juiciest, most amazing apple I've eaten in a long time. Look how big this thing is. They were 55 Taiwanese dollars per apple. It is what it is. Sometimes when you're traveling, you don't understand the language. You sometimes get really good deals, and other times you pay almost $3 for an apple. Worth it though.
I don't know what's better. This temple or this apple?
So we've sort of made it to the city. We're in the outskirts of Tainan at the moment. We've still got a few kilometers to get to the center at least. I think like another 10 or 12. But Max is complaining about being hungry, as usual. What I'm trying to say is we're looking for somewhere to eat because it's only 1:30, which is lunchtime. But also, apparently we can't check into our hotel until 4 p.m. which is crazy late. Honestly, hotels do better. That's way too late. I bet Max will stop the moment he sees a sign for dumplings. We found something, guys. Oh. Why not try a little Vietnamese banh mi?
At last.
We have acquired our lunch. We saw a Vietnamese restaurant selling banh mi for only 50 Taiwan dollars each, so we grabbed a couple of those, and then we also stopped and grabbed a boba tea because we're coming to the 7-Eleven to eat, which I don't really know the rules around that. It feels like you're not supposed to, but we bought a bottle of water so that we still have bought something from the store, but it feels like you're not supposed to do this. So the banh mi's were 50 each, and this was 65, which just blows my mind that you can buy lunch for less than what you would pay for a drink. Now it is time to go check in so that we can drop all of our stuff off and then go explore a little, I guess. Ah! Max bus! What the f? Where are you going? I did not like that at all. This is cute.
Need to eat.
Oh, this is nice. This is so cool.
Very quaint.
This is interesting. I love it. Oh, okay. Very small, but that's okay. Cool. See what the bed is like. Oh, very soft. A little bit too soft. But this is nice. This one is just $36 a night. And there's actually a lot of room here. And it's got really cute, like, cabin style design, like wood paneling and this little thing and these nice lights. We're gonna have a quick wash up, remove our nappy shorts, and probably head out and find a night market. We're getting ready now. We're gonna head out and find some food. Oh my God, look at that tin one. You can see it so much in the camera. Okay, so originally we were gonna go to a night market tonight, but we've been cycling all day. We're a little bit tired. So we're gonna save that for tomorrow night, which will be in the next vlog when we actually explore Tainan. And for now, we're just gonna go for a walk around our little neighborhood. And our goal is to find some xiaolongbao, which are soup dumplings, because we've only had them once and I loved it so much. And I really need more of it right now.
The one. Yay! Xiaolongbao.
Please, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I made one spicy and one not spicy. Now, we got taught how to eat these when we were on our food tour, and that is the only one that we've eaten so far. But basically, you pick up your soup dumpling, you dip it in the sauce, and then you place it on your spoon, and then you bite the top off. To let out the steam so it doesn't burn your mouth. Then you eat.
Yummy.
Until we came to Taiwan, I didn't know there were dumplings that had soupy goodness in them. They're amazing. Ooh, you did it wrong. Look at your dumpling.
Mmm.
Whoa, it's massive.
Look at that.
So these are the signature fried dumplings, and they really look a lot like a gyoza from what you would get in Japan. I think I prefer the soup dumplings, but these are good too.
I might prefer that because I prefer them fried.
If I'd eaten this first, I would prefer this one probably. Or like I would love it because I had the delicious soup dumpling first. It's like, I just want soup dumplings. I ordered more.
Our fourth portion now.
Yeah. Ugh, I'm so full.
That was such a good meal.
It was amazing. So we ended up spending like 13 Australian dollars and we got 4 trays of dumplings. I'm ready to go into a food coma right now. We ate a lot.
We ate a lot, but it's a warm up for tomorrow because tomorrow we actually are exploring. We walked a little bit around now.
It looks
and
so
it looks
cool.
really, really cute. So very excited for tomorrow.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow when we explore with no bikes.
Yes. Thanks so much for watching.